Welcome back to Where You Sleep. So it's end of the year of 2022. So it's been a crazy year. So everything that keep us safe today we're gonna try on. So we actually have the self-test, sanitizer, and also mask. But not forgotten, Slip Stop is always keep you safe. So let me try out the items that we're gonna out first.
So first up, the self-test kit. It's not safe, but Slip Stop. Next up, hand sanitizer. However, on Slip Stop. Finally, face mask. On Slip Stop.
Leave us your ideas on the comment below and we will see you in the next Where
Will
You
It
Sleep.
Slip?